Hello, my wonderful friends. It's so great to have you here today. Let's take a moment to reflect on something we all deeply care about: living healthier, simpler, and more fulfilling lives as we grow older. And what better place to start than the heart of your home, the kitchen? Think about it. Your kitchen isn't just a place where meals are prepared. It's a space filled with memories of family gatherings, the aroma of favorite recipes, and conversations that nourish the soul. But have you ever wondered if your kitchen could be hiding a few items that might be doing more harm than good? When was the last time you gave your kitchen a little extra attention? Maybe there's an old frying pan you've held onto for years, or a set of plastic containers that's been sitting in your cabinet for decades. In this video, I'll walk you through some common kitchen items that could be putting your health at risk without you even realizing it. The best part? These changes are practical, achievable, and designed with your needs in mind. Whether it's switching out an old pan for a safer alternative or refreshing your spice rack, every small step adds up to create a space that feels good, looks good, and works better for you. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video drops. Your support truly makes a difference. If you found value in this video, a like and share would mean a lot in helping me reach more people with these important lessons. And I'd love to hear from you. If you're enjoying this topic, leave a 1 in the comments or a 0 if you'd like to see something different. Your feedback helps me improve and bring you the content you want. So, grab your cup of tea, settle in, and let's get started on this journey together. This is about you, your health, your happiness, and the little things that make everyday life just a bit brighter. Point 1. Hidden risks in the kitchen. These are everyday items we've grown so used to that we don't even think about them anymore. But did you know that some of these items could actually be putting your health at risk? 1. Old nonstick cookware. Nonstick cookware has been a staple in kitchens for decades, and for good reason. It makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. But as we age, it's important to pay closer attention to the tools we're using. Nonstick pans, especially older ones, are often coated with a material called Teflon. When that coating starts to wear off, maybe it's scratched, chipped, or flaking, it can mix into your food without you even noticing. Worse yet, when these pans are heated, they can release harmful chemicals like PFOA. These chemicals have been linked to serious health issues, including thyroid problems and even cancer. For seniors, whose health may already require extra care, this is a risk we simply don't need to take. The good news? There are plenty of safer alternatives that work just as well, if not better. Stainless steel and cast iron are excellent choices. Cast iron, when properly seasoned, develops a natural non-stick surface that's perfect for frying, sautéing, or even baking. Plus, it adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your meals. Stainless steel, on the other hand, is durable, easy to clean, and distributes heat evenly, giving you consistent results every time. Another great option is ceramic-coated cookware. It's modern, non-toxic, and offers that same non-stick convenience without the risks associated with Teflon. If the thought of replacing all your cookware feels overwhelming, don't worry. Start small. Begin by replacing your most used pan and build from there. 2. Plastic kitchenware. Next, let's take a look at those plastic containers and utensils that have been in your kitchen forever. They might seem harmless, but many older plastics contain a chemical called BPA, bisphenol A. When exposed to heat, like when you microwave leftovers or wash them in hot water, BPA can leach into your food. Over time, this can pose risks to your health. For seniors, who may have more sensitive immune systems, even small exposures can add up. The solution? Replace plastic items with safer alternatives like glass containers. Glass is not only BPA-free but also easier to clean and more durable. Plus, it doesn't absorb odors or stains, so your food tastes exactly the way it should. Silicone utensils are another excellent swap. They're heat-resistant, non-toxic, and gentle on your cookware. Many people find that switching to these alternatives not only improves the safety of their kitchen, but also enhances their cooking experience. 3. Chipped or cracked dinnerware. Lastly, let's talk about those chipped plates, bowls, or mugs that we hold onto because of sentimental value. While they may remind us of cherished memories, they can also harbor bacteria in those tiny cracks, no matter how thoroughly we clean them. Even more concerning, older ceramic or porcelain dinnerware may have been made with lead-based glazes. Over time, as the surface wears down, these harmful substances can leach into your food, especially when serving hot or acidic dishes. Instead of discarding these sentimental pieces, consider repurposing them. A chipped mug can become a lovely planter, and a cracked plate can serve as a decorative tray. For everyday use, invest in durable, safe alternatives like tempered glass or modern stoneware. These options are not only chip-resistant, but also free of harmful chemicals. Making these changes doesn't have to happen all at once. Start small, focus on the items you use most often, and gradually transition to safer, healthier alternatives. Remember, it's all about creating a kitchen that supports your health and brings you peace of mind. Point 2. Upgrading kitchen essentials. These are the items you use every day, and giving them a little extra attention can go a long way in making your kitchen safer and more enjoyable. 1. Aluminum cookware. For many years, aluminum cookware has been a popular choice because it's lightweight and affordable. However, when aluminum is exposed to acidic foods like tomato sauce or citrus-based dishes, small amounts of the metal can leach into your food. While the scientific link between aluminum and conditions like Alzheimer's disease remains inconclusive, many people prefer to err on the side of caution, especially as they age. The solution? Transition to safer materials like enamel-coated cast iron or stainless steel. Enamel-coated cast iron combines the durability and even heating of cast iron with a smooth, non-reactive surface that's perfect for all types of cooking. Stainless steel is another excellent option, known for its reliability, heat distribution, and long-lasting quality. Switching your cookware doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by replacing your most frequently used aluminum pot or pan. Many seniors who've made this change report not only feeling safer but also noticing an improvement in the taste and quality of their meals. 2. Outdated spices. Let's take a closer look at your spice rack. Spices are the soul of every flavorful kitchen, but over time, they lose their potency. That jar of cinnamon you've had for years? It may no longer deliver the vibrant flavor it once did. Even worse, expired spices can attract pests like pantry moths, which can contaminate other food items in your kitchen. Refreshing your spice collection is simpler than you think. Start by checking the expiration dates on your jars. If they're past their prime, or you can't remember when you bought them, it's time to let them go. When you restock, consider buying smaller quantities of fresh, high-quality spices. Many grocery stores and specialty shops allow you to purchase spices in bulk, so you can get just what you need without waste. Proper storage is key to maintaining the freshness of your spices. Keep them in airtight containers and store them in a cool, dark place, away from heat and light. This ensures that their aroma and flavor last longer. 3. Old cutting boards. Cutting boards are among the most used tools in any kitchen, but they can also become a hidden hazard over time. Knife marks create deep grooves where bacteria can hide, even after thorough washing. If your cutting board is heavily scratched, warped, or discolored, it's time to replace it. Bamboo and high-quality wooden cutting boards are excellent alternatives. Bamboo is naturally antimicrobial and resistant to knife marks, making it both safe and durable. Wooden boards, while a bit heavier, offer a sturdy surface and a timeless aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. To keep your cutting boards in great condition, remember to clean them with mild soap and warm water. For wooden boards, apply a food-grade oil periodically to prevent drying or splitting. These simple steps ensure your cutting boards remain safe and functional for years. Upgrading these kitchen essentials is about more than just safety. It's about creating a space that works for you and makes cooking a joy. Small changes, like switching out an old pot or refreshing your spice rack, can have a big impact on your daily life. Point 3. Streamlining kitchen tools. Now let's talk about simplifying and organizing your kitchen tools. Over time, our kitchens can become cluttered with gadgets and items we don't use anymore, making it harder to find the things we actually need. Streamlining your kitchen isn't just about tidiness. It's about creating a functional, stress-free space that makes cooking enjoyable again. 1. Duplicate or unused gadgets. How many of us have a drawer full of tools we haven't touched in years? Maybe it's an old garlic press, a waffle maker, or even 3-can openers. These unused or duplicate items take up valuable space, making it harder to navigate your kitchen. Simplifying starts with a quick assessment. Open your drawers and cabinets and ask yourself, when was the last time I used this? If it's been over a year, it's time to let it go. Consider donating these items to someone who might actually use them or sell them online. Focus on keeping versatile, multifunctional tools instead. For example, a high-quality immersion blender can replace a bulky countertop blender and even a hand mixer. It's compact, efficient, and can handle most blending tasks with ease. 2 worn-out baking sheets. Baking sheets are kitchen staples, but over time, they can become warped, rusted, or covered in stubborn grease stains. These issues not only affect how evenly your food cooks, but can also introduce unwanted flavors or particles into your meals. If your baking sheets have seen better days, consider upgrading to stainless steel or aluminized steel options. These materials are more durable and resistant to wear and tear. For an eco-friendly and low-maintenance alternative, silicone baking mats are a fantastic choice. They're reusable, easy to clean, and ensure even baking without the need for excessive greasing or parchment paper. To extend the life of your baking sheets, line them with parchment paper or a silicone mat before use. This not only protects the surface, but also makes cleanup a breeze. If you've recently switched to silicone baking mats, let me know how they're working for you. Are you finding them as convenient as I do? 3. Dishware with faded designs. We all have that one set of dishware with colorful designs that remind us of family gatherings and cherished moments. But if those designs are faded or peeling, it might be time to retire them from daily use. Older plates, bowls, and mugs, especially vintage or imported ones, may have been made with lead-based or toxic glazes. As the surface wears down, these substances can leach into your food, particularly when serving hot or acidic dishes. The solution? Invest in modern, lead-free alternatives. Plain, unpainted dinnerware or high-quality options like stoneware and tempered glass are safer and more durable choices. If you're hesitant to part with sentimental pieces, consider repurposing them as decorative items. For example, a vintage teacup can become a charming planter, or a plate can be displayed on a shelf. 4. Expired canned goods. Canned goods are pantry staples, but they're not meant to last forever. Expired cans can become unsafe to consume, potentially leading to foodborne illnesses. Swollen or leaking cans are especially dangerous and should be discarded immediately. Regular pantry checks are essential. Take a few minutes to go through your canned goods and check expiration dates. Arrange items so that older cans are placed at the front and newer ones in the back. This simple practice makes it easier to rotate your stock and avoid waste. If you find unexpired canned items you no longer need, consider donating them to a local food bank or community organization. It's a great way to help others while keeping your pantry organized. Streamlining your kitchen tools isn't just about decluttering. It's about creating a space that works for you and reflects your needs and priorities. Each small change makes your kitchen a more functional and enjoyable place to cook and gather. Point 4. Revitalizing the kitchen. Now, let's talk about giving your kitchen a fresh start. Revitalizing doesn't mean starting from scratch. It's about updating the things you use most, so your kitchen feels safer, healthier, and more functional. 1. Outdated small appliances. Small appliances like toasters, coffee makers, or blenders are workhorses in the kitchen. But over time, these trusty tools can become worn out, less efficient, or even hazardous. Old appliances may have frayed cords, worn-out components, or plastic parts that can degrade and release harmful chemicals when heated. For seniors, who prioritize safety and simplicity, replacing outdated appliances with modern, energy-efficient models is a worthwhile investment. Newer appliances often come with enhanced safety features like automatic shutoffs, cool touch surfaces, and non-slip bases. They're also designed to be more energy efficient, saving you money on electricity bills. If you're looking to simplify, consider versatile appliances that can do the job of several tools. For example, an air fryer or an instant pot combines multiple cooking functions into one compact device, freeing up counter space while adding convenience to your routine. 2. Old cleaning supplies. Keeping your kitchen clean is essential for maintaining a safe and healthy space. But old cleaning supplies, like sponges, dishcloths, or expired cleaning chemicals, can do more harm than good. Worn-out sponges and scrubbers can harbor bacteria, mold, or odors, while expired cleaning products may lose their effectiveness or even become hazardous. Refreshing your cleaning arsenal is an easy and rewarding step. Replace old sponges with silicone scrubbers or bamboo cloths. These alternatives are antimicrobial, durable, and more eco-friendly. For cleaning solutions, consider natural, homemade options like vinegar and baking soda. They're non-toxic, gentle on surfaces, and just as effective for tackling tough messes. If you prefer store-bought cleaners, look for plant-based options that are free from harsh chemicals. These products are better for your health and the environment. What's your favorite cleaning hack or product? Share it in the comments. You might inspire someone else to try it. 3. Worn-out food processors or blenders. Food processors and blenders are kitchen essentials, but when they're old and worn out, they can become more of a hassle than a help. Dull blades make chopping or blending inefficient, and cracks in the pitcher can harbor bacteria. Leaky seals are not only frustrating, but can also create messes that are difficult to clean. Upgrading to a modern food processor or blender is a game changer. Newer models are designed with sharper blades, energy-efficient motors, and dishwasher-safe parts, making them both effective and easy to maintain. Many models also come with added safety features, like locking lids and automatic shutoffs. When choosing a replacement, opt for versatile appliances that can handle multiple tasks, like chopping, blending, and pureeing. This not only simplifies meal prep, but also reduces the need for additional gadgets, freeing up valuable counter space. 4. Unused specialty tools. We've all been tempted by specialty kitchen tools, a fondue pot, a pasta maker, or that waffle iron you used once for brunch years ago. While these items can be fun, they often end up collecting dust, taking up valuable space without adding much to your daily cooking routine. It's time to reclaim that space. Start by identifying specialty tools you haven't used in over a year. If they no longer bring you joy or serve a purpose, consider donating or selling them. For items you only need occasionally, think about borrowing or renting instead of owning. Many communities have kitchen libraries or rental services that let you access tools without long-term commitment. Focusing on multifunctional tools can also streamline your kitchen. For instance, a high-quality stand mixer can replace several smaller gadgets, handling everything from kneading dough to whipping cream. Decluttering specialty tools not only simplifies your kitchen, but also makes it feel more open and inviting. What's one specialty gadget you've held on to but never use? Share it in the comments. I bet you're not alone. Revitalizing your kitchen isn't just about the tools and gadgets. It's about creating a space that makes you feel good every time you step into it. A fresh, organized kitchen is not only more functional but also brings a sense of peace and joy to your daily life. Congratulations, my dear friends. You've taken a journey toward transforming your kitchen into a safer, healthier, and more joyful space. Each step we've discussed, whether it's upgrading your cookware, decluttering unused gadgets, or refreshing your cleaning supplies, brings you closer to a kitchen that truly supports your lifestyle and well-being. Your kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals. It's a space where memories are made, conversations flow, and nourishment goes beyond the plate. By making these small but meaningful changes, you're not only improving the functionality of your kitchen, but also enhancing the quality of your daily life. Remember, you don't have to do everything all at once. Start small. Maybe it's replacing one old pan, clearing out a single drawer, or refreshing your spice rack. Each tiny step adds up, creating a ripple effect that brings you closer to your goal. I'd love to hear from you. Have you started making any of these changes? What's been your biggest win so far? Share your progress in the comments below, and let's celebrate each step together. Your experiences and tips might just inspire someone else watching this video. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who might benefit from these ideas. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more tips and advice tailored just for you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your journey. Remember, your health, happiness, and peace of mind are worth every effort. Here's to a kitchen and a life that feels as wonderful as you are. Take care, and until next time, keep living your golden years with joy, simplicity, and love.